Alright guys, so I'm gonna make a video, but the only problem is I need to make a school for the video. So I'm going to have to make a school. So today we're gonna make a school. I need to post it. Anyways, I hope you enjoy my speed build. By the way, it might not be the greatest quality, I don't know. My iPad already said it ran out of storage, but I'm recording this either way. Seriously, why did the post button never work? Okay, well, I'm loading into the basic house for the school. By the way, the reason I'm not doing a house tour, I think I've done this like a billion times. Okay, this is so weird because I'm not used to this. This is only when you first start the game. And for some reason my Pokébook just completely reset. But it's kind of annoying when that happens. Because literally all your progress is done. I mean, my sister kind of just reset my world. So like, literally nothing. That's like I only guess, which is why I was gonna make a house tour when I had that house. But said my sister reset my whole entire world. Had this that weird glitch where like nothing but like whole entire world reset. So that happened. I'm gonna use that wallpaper. Just be like the outside place of the school. I'm gonna go into the tree section because where else would you go? Come on. Alright, what do we have here? We have some very basic stuff. We're definitely gonna have a lot more furniture when I get that new really big bundle. Like, it's gonna be so big, we're gonna have so many packs. But this is from the Cancun pack. And these bushes are from the big family house. I'm gonna be like naming a bunch of stuff, so if you guys want them, you know where to get them. But I kind of like literally love the Cancun pack. It's like one of my favorite packs, and it's cheap, so I do recommend it. So I'm gonna add this here, even though I know it's Luxem, which is kind of weird. And I'm going to add this from the Cancun pack, the wood from the Cancun pack, and the wallpaper is free. And I really like this plant from the Cancun pack. I don't know, but like, I was wondering when getting this. I mean, it doesn't really look like it would be in the modern mansion. Oh yeah, it came in that new influencer pack thing. Forgot the name of it, but like it's the pack that comes with like this phone and like those BT and like those Toca Boca celebrity noodle stuff. Yeah, so it does do that. I'm just trying to find some stuff. I'm gonna add this here. I'm gonna add this over here. I'm just adding a bunch of plants because I don't know what else to add if you ask me. You're not using this tiny space because one day there will be more space. But again, this house is probably gonna reset because my sister. So maybe we have something here. No, we don't need it. Yeah, I could add this ketchup. No, that's stupid. I the ketchup. Alright, maybe I can add some flower petals. Yeah, definitely. Me casually trying to find some stuff. No, I took like hours in the house that I made. I don't even know why, because I couldn't have just done nothing. Because like I'm getting a big pack. Oh, and by the way, this really cute LED is obviously from the Cancun. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. This is from the coastal villa, the new one, the blue house that has like 3 floors. This is from Cancun pack. This is from the Cancun pack. And we finally have something that's not from the Cancun pack. But it's the perfect hotel. These roses. By the way, they can go in these tiny pots, which is really cute, I think. I did a video showing aesthetic Toca Boca items, but now I kind of have more packs, so like, how. So I don't think you're gonna know all the items I use. Dude, all the items. Okay, you know what, like, I think that there's something really creepy in Toca Boca. It's the sun. Like, it always stares into my soul. Look at something else that isn't me, please. Like the sun in the corner. And the moon's even creepier because, like, that night is something staring into your soul. But again, that is a block of cheese in the middle of the Toca Boca. By the way, I'm really so sad because where is my beautiful cat's eye? Okay, why does the sun have to stare at me? No. No, what? Okay, why does it stare at me? Where is my beautiful cat's eye? You're like an icon. Like, what about all the icons? All the icons. As they say, like, what about all the icons? Why couldn't it stayed? No, seriously, talk about and bring back the icon. I don't know why I even did that. That's so stupid. I just put a stand cast. Wait, I have an idea. Alright, my idea. Oh yeah, this is the right idea. Places. This is free. That's free. This is free. Okay, how much stuff do I have to say is free? This is free. This is free. This is free. Okay, we finally are gonna move on. So for this place is gonna be the locker room. And I'm gonna make it have I don't really know, like, what would be a background a school has? Like, it's nothing really good I have, but I'm gonna get, like, a daycare pack, maybe that has good school stuff. I don't know, like, I don't think Toca Boca released a pack for making schools, which is the problem here. Like, so... How about this? How about this? Not too fancy. This. Perfect. Alright, now we're gonna pick... Yes, it's matching the vibe. Alright, I'm gonna get this done out of my face. What are you trying to do? Oh my god, this is so pretty. How did I not notice it? I told him to put that in my room. Oh my god, look how pretty it is. I didn't even see this. It looks so good. I'm going to put this in the teacher's room. But for now, we're going to be sticking with some very normal lockers. By very normal, she meant very paranormal, by the way. I don't really know why I could use as a locker. I mean, yeah, there was this pink locker, but they're from the Rainbow Neon pack. Ooh, I forgot to tell you what the wallpaper stuff up. So on this one, I don't know, it's like the Mother Mansion. Ooh, the Sunny pack, that. You know, I don't actually know what the wallpaper's on. I forgot. But like, I know that I do know that the floors from the Chemical pack. Oh, this is from the normal mansion pack. I mean, whatever mansion pack there is. Oh, you thought that actually by the mega mansion. Actually, at the mega mansion, I think this place was gonna look better with it. No, if I had the mega mansion, my characters would be moved into it. Okay. I know it's a carpet, but I'm just gonna add Karen Copac bugs. I mean, you couldn't really call them bugs, you could call them like bugs. I don't really I just got a message, and if it's of Disney telling me about the football, telling me about football, I'm gonna crash out. Alright, maybe I could add some decoration to this room that I'm probably not even gonna need and lose my stuff in. Time to decorate the room and losing my stuff in, because why not? This isn't Katie's room, so I don't know why I'm adding in a random high school I'm making. Alright, this place is looking very decorative right now. By the way, this is one like the shiny pack. And do you know what the light is? The Karen Copac. I'm gonna make this the lost property box. Because Loki looks like something good for stairs. Like just It's like we're not using that certain. Alright. So I don't know, so okay. It's gonna be like brand new school and a brand new town that I just moved into. But don't get too attached to my new house, because like I said, I'm gonna get like a new pack and remake my house, reset my world, and probably remake more of my characters. Might not remake it, just say it. Alright, now we're on our third room. And my least favorite's gonna have to be this, because like it's very plain and basic. It's basic. So right now, I'm not gonna add two plain or two basic wallpaper. I'm gonna add a wallpaper though. Yeah, definitely add a wallpaper though. So I'm gonna make that. I don't know. I don't actually know. I'm gonna make that the lunch plate. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna make the lunch. This looks very small for a lunch cafeteria. Alright, PayPal. How about this? Like something a school would really not have what am I thinking? Alright, how about this carpet? Okay, this shouldn't have been the carpet that was used for Katie's room. Alright, now we've got an, I don't know, since school done like too cheery and colorful. Gonna add like the most randomest things. Modern Mansion from that pack I forgot. The wallpaper is from the 5-star hotel. Yeah, definitely the 5-star hotel. And the floor is from it's from the pack I forgotten. And these last property boxes are from the Karen Copac. And the rock matches are from the Karen Copac. I'm having video games, please don't school. As I could decide whether you should. I'm sorry, I'm so obsessed with this. Alright, what can I use as a teacher? How about this counter thingy? Why is that? So why is this part of the school so bright and colorful? Don't worry, not getting more TVs, not doing that. No one can't show me as a TV. Oh no, I'm just gonna add some of the basics I'm gonna use. Wait, where's the bell? How the teacher can say, no, the bell doesn't dismiss you, I do. Alright, where's this bell? Where is the bell? I'm gonna have this pink mattress because just... I just got a message from CapCut. I just got a message from CapCut. I literally was so awkward. Just dun 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 dun. Wow, check out this cat. He casually trying to find what I need. Oh, I need table. Wait, no, it's doing the bell. I usually just give up on stuff if I can't find the dang bell. Maybe no, I'll be there. No. Okay, yeah. The bell doesn't dismiss you, I do. We should have a fire alarm in these rooms. I don't think you need that much fire alarms though. Making such big gaps of just not speaking. I don't really know. I don't know what this is gonna be for. Wait, maybe this should be like a heater. Just to do that. Alright. Now, what are we looking for? Hi, friends and Dora. Can you tell me what you look? Can you tell me what we're looking for? Okay, and so I have to add this. It's just too perfect. I have to add this. It's just too perfect. I have to add this. It is too perfect. Oh, I forgot the name. It's a five-star hotel. Five-star hotel. Five-star hotel. Big family house. Pack I forgot. Karen Cole. And the modern mansion. And Karen Cole. Alright, now I'm looking for those stats. Alright, now Kevin Cole pack. But here, and here. So 8 kids are gonna be in this class because our teacher is gonna have 2. No, I'm not telling you all this math. Oh, these chairs are made for going that way. So I'm gonna add these chairs at the front. And these ones, I'm gonna move this one up. Okay, my iPad's at 15%, it was way this earlier. Alright, I'm pretty sure we need to make these 2 shorter. You know why? Because when their heads are gonna freaking block everything. Alright, we are pretty much done. Alright, what did I accidentally do that again? Oh, seriously, another ad about Disney football? I can't decide whether... I'm too obsessed. Go. Oh. Karen Cole. Karen Cole. Alright. Now we're gonna add a Karen Cole. Which once again. I'm gonna add these even for they really are the best. And then at the end I'll just say where to order from. I can't stand whether you should ever die. That's why I don't really actually want to deny. Alright, so that's every seat. 1, 2. Okay, 8 people are gonna do it again. Okay, I'm gonna put some random fruit. Wait, no, this is gonna be like the food tray. This is gonna be the dessert of the day tray. Gonna be that. Dessert. Those are gonna be the dessert. Those are gonna be fruit. And the main course is gonna be a Leonine pasta. So I'm gonna make like six. Okay, let's do 4. I'm just make 2 of each. And I'm gonna add the most randomest things that can make pasta. You put that on the floor, you know we don't want to waste any. Alright, come on. Okay, like 2 more pastas, because I lost 2. And that's going to be, okay, I'm going shrimp, yes. Oh, it's actually possible, I didn't know that. Alright, I'm taking carrot. Okay, but I really do hate that noise if I have to admit. Taking carrots because they're my favorite vegetable. Taking carrots. Oh yeah, I wanted to share this recipe with you. Okay, so look at this. Amazing, magical, and mythical. Okay, big back here. Oh yeah, the wallpaper. This video is like been like 24 minutes. I'm not sure anybody wants to watch a 24-minute video. That's very bad quality. That can't be edited. Actually, I'm gonna try edit this for you. I'll do the best of it. Oh yeah, but alright everybody, we finally finished it. I'm it's finally ready for my roleplay. I'm gonna do tomorrow. Or maybe never and just give up. So since I took hours of pay to make this video, and probably more hours, because I had to edit all of this, like literally. You should probably at least hit the like button, and you'd actually have to hit the like button. All you have to do is just please watch the tour. Alright, so this is the garden place. Wow, it's so interesting. These are the lockers. I mean, I want to add a fourth one, but not everybody knew. These are the last property boxes. This is a new school, which is why these stuff are crusty, dusty, and musty. Alright, we got the classroom. In my opinion, this is the best room because it uses so much packs. And this is the kitchen. Alright, anyway, looks like you made it to the end of my video. I have to say thanks for watching. And also, I'm going to get away from that time. And also, make sure to like and subscribe. No, just kidding, I'm not that nerd. So, the video's ended. Okay, the video's ended. Okay, like the video. Cameron, why are you holding a tray of marshmallows and strawberries? Make more. No, I'm not gonna make you more. Make more. No, I'm not gonna make you more. Make more. Make more. I don't actually know what that recipe is meant to be. Alright, thanks for watching the video. And I'm not going to be making Cameron any more of that stuff. He's been eating it for like a week now. Make more. Anyways, bye-bye. Have a great day and a great life. Congratulations. New secret click on like for liking my channel that much. Boba. Drink the boba. Why can't you drink the boba? Drink the boba. I'll let her drink. Okay, this is the undrinkable boba, apparently. I have an idea. Okay, bye-bye. That's totally not another secret clip.